Dear kids, hope you all are fine. So, here for your English class, your Priyanka Miss is with you. As always, I am here with you for your English class. So, I told you that from now on we will have some of the extra classes. These are not directly related to our exam, but still these are really very needed for the further classes and of course for the lectures. Okay, so these are the classes are kind of based on your speaking skill or your for your spoken test. Okay, as I want you to do better and I want you to speak better English, so I think it is really very important for you to come up uh, with fluency and to overcome all the bindings. Okay, so here for the last part, so this one is the actually last part of that spoken class. So for our spoken class, I know that you are quite excited and you always try to speak English in the class, and you are always very much comfortable with English. So it is just a language for you, I know that. So that's why I think the classes are very easy for you, and you are enjoying the classes very much. So here on the last part, I have given some of the questions. That questions are, you are being asked whenever you are going somewhere or whenever someone is asking about your school. These questions are basically here before you, and you have to answer the question as you have no any other options left. As you are the Lakersian, so you need to answer in quite a smart way. So here the questions are basically based on your class and class teacher or your friends. Okay, I know that you are getting very much excited with whatever it is about your beautiful teachers and about your very nice friends. Then you are always ready to answer. So some of the questions are given. These are 5 to 6 questions. Okay, you know the answer very well, but still I want to see that how you can answer it properly, how you can present the answers smartly. Okay, as you are the smart boys and girls. Okay, so let us go through the board first, and you don't need to note anything down, or you don't need to write anything down. What you have to do is you just need to follow the class and you have to enjoy the class. That's it. Okay, so without wasting any time and words furthermore, let us go through the board that what are the questions are given for us today. Okay, so it is the question answer session part 4, as already 3 of the parts are given and uploaded. So here I choose some of the questions that is basically related to our class and school. Okay, so the first question is given here. When does your class start? When does it start, baby? I know you are very you are early riser, so you are early morning birds. So basically our class starts at the very early in the morning, as we are studying in such an institution that is under strict rules and regulations, and of course this what actually makes us different from others, isn't it? Yes. So when does your class start? Our class starts at, so it will, the answer should be answered like our class or my class or our class starts. Why it is starts here? S is not put here, but why I have to put an extra s in the answer section? Because does is here. To remove the does, as if you are asked with something like does, then you have to put an extra s with your base verb. Okay, so my class starts at 8 a.m. or if it starts from 8:30, then you can also write 8:30. Okay, whatever exact time it is, you need to just mention it. Okay, as we have 2 shifts on different season or different time, so we are actually quite not sure about it, but 8 is the most preferable time. That's why I put it. My class starts at, please answer the questions or please utter the answers with me. My class starts at 8 a.m. Again say, my class starts at 8 a.m. When does your class start? My class starts, not start. It starts. My class starts at 8 a.m. How many subjects do you have? How many subjects do you have? That means how many. It's not asking about books, it's asking about subject. Okay, let us see how many subjects actually we go through. Starting from Bengali or Bangla, English, mathematics, science, music and art. So in total we have how many subjects do we have? We have 6 subjects in our class 1 EV or for our class 1 EV. Don't you have 6 subjects? Again count. Bangla 1, English number 2, mathematics number 3, number 4 science, number 5 music and number 6 art. So there are basically how many subjects? There are 6 subjects. So should I write 6? Don't you think that you have 6 subjects or more than that? No. So we have to write or we have to say how many subjects do you have? Now it becomes I have 6. I told you that you can write it in number or in digit or in word like SIX. Okay. So I have 6 subjects or we have 6 subjects. Okay, you can also write we or I is not also wrong. I have 6 subjects or we have 6 subjects. Okay, who is your class teacher? Who is your class teacher? The very beautiful and smart and of course very pretty woman. She is Mrs. Kaji Jahanara Oppu. So you can write Kaji Jahanara Oppu. Okay, Mrs. Kaji Jahanara Oppu. Or if you want to just alternate the sentence, if you want to alternate the sentence, like you can write my class teacher is Oppu Miss. Okay, or Kaji Jahanara Oppu. If you are writing the whole name of your class teacher, then it's really very it looks excellent. But if you only mention Oppu Miss, it's also right. There's nothing wrong in it, baby. So okay, now coming to the next one. So okay, once again please go through the questions. When does your class start? My class starts at 8 a.m. Please say again, my class starts at 8 a.m. How many subjects do you have? I have 6 subjects. I have 6 subjects. How many subjects do you have? We have or I have 6 subjects. Who is your class teacher? My class teacher is Kaji Jahanara Oppu. Who is your class teacher? My class teacher is Kaji Jahanara Oppu. Who is your English teacher? So who is your English teacher? My English teacher is, who is your English teacher? Me. It's me. So my English teacher is Priyanka Miss. Okay, or you can write the whole name like Miss Priyanka Babli. We can also write that. But if you want to just put my name, okay, you can also do so. Okay, so my English teacher is Priyanka Miss. Okay, so I think it is the easiest question for you because every day, I mean most of the day I am dealing with you in this subject. So I think it's really unforgettable. So my English teacher is Priyanka Miss. So do you have any friends Of course, I know that you have a lot of friends in your class, and you with whom you share your tiffins, you share your different particulars like pencil, eraser, pens, etc. And the bonding that you share with your friend in the class, it's really very praiseworthy, babies. So I think, do you have any friends? So it can never be a no, rather it's a yes. Yes, I have a lot of friends, or yes, I have few friends, or I have so many friends, or I have 2 to 3 friends. You can also write that. So do you have any friends? In the answer of in a reply, what should you write? Or you say yes, I have. Yes, I have a lot of friends. Okay, yes, I have a lot of what? I have a lot of friends. Okay, so do you have any friends? Yes, I have a lot of friends. As you know, in it is about our class, so I think in a class we should make friends, so that friends are our companions in school. Most of the time we spend our time with our friends, and we share so many things with our friends, even our top secrets also, don't you? Yes, I see. I mean, I noticed in your class you just whisper to one another, and you were quite busy in discussing something very much confidential and secrets. Okay, so are you late in the class? Now the last but not least, the question is, are you late in the class? No, the Lickers can never be late in the class. If you are late, you gonna be punished. You know that very well. As our class starts at 8 a.m., so we can never be late. Are you late? Are you lazy? No, I have seen that you are never lazy, and especially if it is about class 1, then they are really very early riser, and they are never late. They are not late comers. Okay, are you late in the class? No, I am not. No, I am not. Okay, are you late in the class? So if you are late in the class, how do you attend the class on 8 a.m.? Isn't it quite weird, babies? Isn't it quite odd? No, I am not. No, we are not. I know that you can never be late in the class. You are always in time. Okay. So, when does your class start? My class starts at 8 a.m. How many subjects do you have? I have 6 subjects. Who is your class teacher? My class teacher is Kazi Zahanara Opu. Who is your English teacher? My English teacher is Priyanka Miss. Do you have any friends? Yes, I have a lot of friends. Again say, yes, I have a lot of friends. Yes, I have a lot of friends. Are you late in the class? No, I am not. No, I'm not. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope we will meet on the next class with new ideas and new topics, or maybe it also would be a revision class. So till then, stay well and take care, babies.